Hello, students of 6320, or Audio Recording 1. I just wanted to make a quick and very rough video to follow up on our last week assignment and especially to prepare you for what's coming up for your assignments that you're turning in. This is actually what you're looking at here is an assignment turned in from a grade student last week. And of course you can see the MIDI files, virtual instruments. You can see that we adjusted the tempo here as well as drew in some automation. Now what I want to show you here is that you can see the audio is right over the top of the MIDI notes because this student used the freeze command. And you can use, there's a number of ways in Pro Tools to convert your MIDI to audio, and I'm not going to take the time to illustrate those here because, frankly, for this class, we're done using MIDI as an assignment. You may use it in your final project. But if you look here, there's a little icon, looks like a snowflake, that if I click that, it unfreezes these tracks, and of course, the tracks are still playing. So to commit these to audio, it's as simple as just clicking these individually and it will freeze these virtual instruments. And then the critical thing that I wanted to go over again, which you will find in a video included in assignment 1.4 last 2 weeks ago, is that you go to the file menu before preparing and sending your tracks. In the video, I believe it covered clips. All of these clips are being used, so you don't need to delete any of them. But go back to that first video and watch how that's done. But the critical thing is to go to File here, do Save Copy In. Now in this dialog box that comes up, when I just hit OK, it will keep these audio files in the folder it creates. But just to be safe here, I'm going to click this. I'm going to keep it in my documents, and I'm going to name this Save Copy In Example. Okay, so now it is creating a folder. It's writing all the audio in this session file into that folder. And now I'm going to pull that folder up over here. Let's see, we should have a Save Copy In Example. Now what you're going to see inside of this is a Pro Tools session file, that's PTX, and you're going to see the audio that's in that session file. Now what you want to do here is this folder that was created on a Mac, it is compress. So that would be this. On a PC, it would be zip. But I am going to compress that. And now it's going to make a file that includes everything that is compressed right here. And that is what you will put in your student work folder. Okay, that's a quick review. And really I'm reviewing this just to save you some pain and grief in the future. Also go back to 1.4, watch that video carefully. We've got a great group of students in this class. I've been really impressed to follow your discussions and to see your work, and I look forward to the continuing weeks. Have a great week. Thanks.